Hey YouTube, what's going on? Sorry about the wind in the background or any loud noise. I had to pick a different spot to shoot this video. Got a little party going on in my neighborhood. But today we have a 1982 Cycle Pro shotgun. This is a very sweet bike. I don't think I'm gonna ever get rid of this one. Never say never. Who knows? This one right here is definitely one of my favorite race bikes. You don't see too many of these pop up for sale. But this one, I'm not done building, but I'm gonna end up changing brakes. This is a 901, I think it's a 901 MX. I'm gonna go with a 1000. And the difference between the two is the 1000 is gonna have all this on the right side. This is a Cycle Pro C-clamp. And to all my beginners, this is a brake line holder. A lot of the race bikes didn't have brake line holes welded in, so Diecomp, I don't know if another company makes them, but Diecomp definitely makes them. You can see it right there. These are original decals and original paint. It has a tough neck, pro model, original. Love the survival look. It's gold color. The GT Pro 1 bars. See how old that sticker is. And I think the lever is, I know it's the early 80s, 82, 83 MX. And the wheels are Yukai and Suntour hubs. I am going to change these bars. I think I'm going to put these bars on that 84 Greg Hill. And I have some bars in mind to put on this one. I'm always changing out parts here and there. But for the bikes that I'm keeping, I'll try to go all out and get the best parts. If you like what I'm doing, hit that like button, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. 1982 shotgun.